Hey everyone, my name is Rita Daleto and today we're gonna do two makeups, old money and clean girl makeup. I know you can see this makeup on TikTok, on YouTube, and they seem similar, but actually have slight difference, and today I show you. First of all, we need preparing our skin. I used to skip the preparing step and my makeup looked dirty. Actually, in general, I used to do a lot of things wrong, wrong brushing, application techniques. But when I became a serious, interesting makeup, and when I went to makeup school, I saw before and after on my makeup. It was my first serious makeup school. It's online makeup academic, and I was impressed. If you want to master a professional makeup artist, I recommend you this school, because in this school you can find a lot of information about other skin tones, techniques, face shapes, professional information about sanitation. The guy give pro card benefit. It's a discount of up to 40% of partners like NYX, Anastasia Beverly Hills, England, Makeup Forever, and other. At the end, they give a certificate, and the school supports you. It's very important. For me, it's very important, I think, because I have some questions, and every time when I wrote, they answer for me and help me. I took the Elite Career course, and now I watch a special fixed program. So if you want to go to school and start work like makeup artist, follow the link on description, and in the description you will find my promo code. They give a discount on all course on this school, and let's study together. Preparing is finished, and we can start to makeup. On the left side will be old money. The right side, it's clean girl makeup. You can see my hairstyle. It's a clean girl makeup like Bella Hadid. This is old money style. First of all, it's eyebrows. For this side I use shadow. This shadow will be with powder effect. The clean girl side, we using pens. Yesterday I go to Watson and bought some interesting things. I don't know good it or bad, but I think it's my color. Oh yeah, it's good. So I use hair gear for fixing my eyebrow. On the old money side I used matte primer. On the clean girl side I used primer with slight shine. On this side we used medium coverage tone. Its tone will be matte too, because old money don't know what is shine, and this is makeup did our mom or grandma. In this period we don't have highlights and other. On this side I used highlight under the tone, and then we used very light tone on this side. Not too much. I have some problems with my skin, and I fix it. If you don't have, don't do this. On this side we used powder. We don't use concealer because old money girl, it's old girl who don't know what is concealer. Just tone, matte tone, and that's all. Clean girl know about concealer, and we are using two other concealer. We need to make lifting on the face. On this side, little bit on the mouth. In the clean girl aesthetic, usually big lips, and now I used plumper for my right side. The creamer product more better for clean girl side, and old money side we used dry product. little bit lifting and blend it. Clean girl go to the gym, like to run, and that's why we need to use bronzer with shimmer. On the old money side, we use little bit contouring because old money, it's a woman who looks slim, very fit. She didn't eat. Now cheekbones. In the retro time, we don't have like wet effects, so we need to use some product without shine. I think this color better for our makeup, old money makeup. We use powder Daleto matte. On this side, we need to use some shine blush, red blush, a little bit baking for this side where we don't want to have shine. I want more bronzer for this side because we go to outside, play tennis if you're old money woman. Okay, eyeshadow. This side we used more warm color. Actually, you can use bronzer. We need to make light lifting effect. For contrast, light shadow, little bit dark pants on the lash. Your reference, it's Hailey Bieber or Bella Hadid for clean girl side. And this side we shine. On this side we used a little bit cold eyeshadow. You can see difference. I used on clean girl side, and this I will use on old money side. We need to do light smoky eyes. Little bit light color. On this side we have fashion nude. On this side we have old fashion nude. On this side I use brown mascara and dark mascara. We need to create like a fox effect on this side. And the most interesting on our makeup is the lips, and on old money side we used lip liner nude color. Don't touch contour. On this side we need to make big lips, and we used a little bit sculptor. My camera is going to turn off in a second, and don't forget a lip gloss and your makeup clean girl is finished. It's old money makeup. And this side it's clean girl makeup. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe on my channel and put your likes. If you want to support me, you can send super thanks or support me on Boosty and Patreon. If you want to learn how to do makeup like me, follow the link in the description to the School Online Makeup Academic. And with my prom code, you can discount on any other course on this school. Thank you and see you next video.